Welcome to my channel. So today I am doing every month's ritual and today I'm sharing with you another Amazon haul, and this time I'm doing beauty and footwear, everything affordable as usual. So let's get going without further ado. Hair care, I got a duo from Swashcoff. This is their peptide repair hair range, and I have used this shampoo before. I've not used their conditioner. It's a very cute size, by the way. I really like their shampoos because this brand has always given me good results. This is a repurchase the shampoo, but the conditioner I'm trying, and I will let you know. You will see in the next videos if I really like it. But for the price, it looks like good, and travel size also. So next item is a repurchase, guys. The Minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen with niacinamide B5 and vitamin F. It's for all skin types in 50 gram, really relatively smaller size bottle and very lightweight. And I have used it throughout my Nagaland trip, and it was an extensive trip, like 15 days. Apart from that, we were almost out during the early morning till evening, so a lot of sun exposure as compared to what I go through in my routine in my life. So yeah, you can see my skin is not that badly tanned, though I got some cleanup done today, but still damage is protected with this. Next, I got some nail products. So this is currently packed. I will just open it and get back to you. It comes with a glue, and then there are the nail tips. So I will use them and I will show you my creative art I do, because my nails get really damaged easily, and you can see from the last extensions I got. Yeah, it's really affordable on Amazon. Next up, I got this stockings, and yeah guys, I will try it in the next video. You will see this quality and everything wise in my fashion haul coming next week also. Now I know you're waiting for the shoes part, so first I got this one. This is from Dobhai, and this is the color, really pretty tan brown sole, and soft inner lining to create that kind of cushiony inner comfort you need. Next up are these foot booties from Catwalk, and this was also on sale, so I grabbed it because black and then this pointed heel. I didn't have this kind of shape in my collection, and I styled it a few days back, so I will show you how it looks. So next is this stack of rings. Yeah, it looks really cute. Evil eye, I love them. So size wise it's good, like not so tight, not very loose, only this one is loose. This one, yeah, this you can see it now. Dark blue, love it. Yeah, this was my small little cute haul. Hope you liked everything I got, and if you liked anything, do click. The links are in the description box. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next fashion haul video. See you, bye.